Hi, I'm Hannah Butterfield, and I teach the 7th grade accelerated math class, so I just wanted to go over a few things from this term so far. Um, so what we've learned so far, we've done adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing rational numbers. We've done approximating square roots of non-perfect squares, and we have been working on simplifying expressions. I'm sure you've seen your students working hard at these. And then what we're currently learning, we are calculating area and circumference of circles, and then calculating volume and surface area of 3D shapes. So we're on our geometry unit. Where we're headed next is we'll be using inverse operations to solve a two-step equation. We'll solve multi-step equations, we'll solve absolute value equations, and we'll solve inequalities. I also wanted to go over what affects their grades. So assignments are 10% of their grade, and part of the assignments include practice assignments on Canvas. So far, the only one they've done is a 1.5 practice assignment, and it's called that in Skyward, and it's called that on Canvas as well. And if they missed that or want to redo it, you just go back to Module 1.5 and click on the link to the 1.5 practice assignment. The other assignments that affect their grades are the unit notes packet, and that's always due on the day of the unit test. So they've already turned in their Unit 1 notes packet, and it's 10 points per lesson, and they should be doing these lessons at home every day, and then they turn in their packet on the day of the test. Their Unit 2 test is coming up on October 2nd, so their next notes packet will be due on October 2nd. So please check with your student and see if they have been working on that so they don't fall behind. I check in with them every day, but sometimes they tend to fall behind, and even when I remember them. So check with them. What else affects their grades are show what you know quizzes, and these are review quizzes. They review concepts they've learned previously, and we'll do these about every other week, just so you are aware of that. And they are welcome to retake a show what you know quiz if they fail it or something. The other thing that affects their grades are assessments, and that's 60% of their grade. I guess I forgot to say quizzes are 30% of their grade. And then assessments are 60%. Their first assessment, the Unit 1 test, that was just a couple weeks ago. And like I said, their next unit test is coming up on October 2nd. That should be the last test for this term. And then they'll have their third test not too long after the second term starts. I wanted to go over what a progress report looks like so you can see assessments and assignments, and quizzes should be in there for 30%. It shows it right here. Oh, that's because there's no quizzes in there yet. So the Unit 1 notes packet is on their grade, their 1.5 practice assignment. And again, if they scored low, they're welcome to redo that on Canvas. And then the unit test is the first one on there. So we'll be adding in not too long, the Unit 2 notes packet, another practice assignment, and then the expressions in geometry unit test. So that's just what a progress report looks like. If you have any questions, let me know. How you can improve your grade, ask questions in class, retake assignments that you scored low on, and retake quizzes and tests. And just work on your notes at home. Do the lesson notes at home, watch the videos that go along with that, and that should hopefully help you answer your questions. And then if you don't understand it at home, please ask me questions in class. And then some important dates I've already mentioned a little bit, but wanted to go over. The Unit 2 test is on October 2nd. The Unit 2 notes packet is going to be due on October 2nd. The Show What You Know quiz, their first one will be on October 8th. And then all test retakes need to be done by October 14th. That is the end of the term. So that's the last day that they can redo any assignment or test. And then how to contact me, email me, and I will be available on October 1st between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. To do Google Meet conferences. So you'll just need to email me and arrange that with me beforehand. And my email address is hannahbutterfield@alpinedistrict.org. If you have any questions, just please let me know.